Shabbat Shalom. Wishing you and yours a happy and uplifting Shabbat. Women and young girls, please light your Shabbat candles before 7:51 p.m. Men and young men, please don your tefillin before sunset. This week is Parshat Pinchas, which teaches us so many important lessons, including the selfless dedication that Pinchas had to save the lives of his brothers and sisters and fend off the plague. This, of course, brought him tremendous blessings that he had not expected. Torah continues to tell us about the important holidays that we celebrate, and it's all included in this portion, reminding us that our dedication and commitment is what brings us great transformation, purpose, and meaning in our life. May all of us reaffirm our dedication and commitment to the values and the purpose that we have dedicated in our life and be the best version of ourselves. L'chaim to you and Shabbat Shalom.